Guys, this thing looks way better than I could even imagine. Ready to go install some skis in the sled?
Yes.
Okay, so we got the skis. We got the battery for the drill, which is actually in another car. Now let's go.
Ready?
You ready?
Yeah.
Are you ready? Right now I'm just 3M taping the side where the bolts won't go. So it's the extra, that's right where I cleaned it on the car is where it'll sit.
Whee! That noise though.
Tap it on. This would be so much better in like a garage. That's mostly on. Go ahead and take this one piece right here. Fold it outwards. Fold it like so, grab some Scotch tape. When we have the Scotch tape, just make sure that's taped down so it won't go anywhere. And then you're good. Just one big strip. Let's go ahead and stick it under there. I'm gonna have her help me. So let's get her out behind the camera. Oh, look at that. But we're both gonna hold it up there. We're gonna pull the strip from there, and then I'll use the bolts. Just like that. It's because I wasn't on the jet. Woo! That looks so good.
Okay.
I like it. Okay, with cars are two sides. We already got one side done, and now let's just go ahead. I'm too lazy. I don't want to do that side. Here, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Oh man, it looks so good. Woo! Oh, it looks so good. Oh. Oh, it looks. I don't even know what to say about it. I love how it sticks out. It's so aggressive. What do you think?
Can I drive?
Think you're gonna step on it all the time?
No.
God. Alright, we gotta go to the car wash. Guys, this thing looks way better than I could even imagine. You got like, holy God, it's already coming together. That side extension, I didn't realize it would do that much difference in the look, but it looks entirely different. It looks so much lower. It just, here, check it out. The side skirt extensions was very random. I was not prepared to film it. I literally just like, I wanted to install it. I really wanted to install it. I couldn't hold off. I was like, all right, let's just do it. It's quick. It is one of the fastest installs I've ever done. It's as simple as clean the bottom surface of your car where the 3M tape strip will be for sure. And then from there, you just stick it up there, peel the 3M tape, and then you put the bolts in. They're self-tapping screws with the M4. The E92 is different. E92 had some bolts under there that held the side skirts, and you use those, but it's different. Well, I just want to leave it off here. I post every Friday. And if I miss a Friday, I'm sorry, but I post Fridays. And since I post on Fridays, it'd be awesome if you like and subscribe. It supports me, it's my friends, it's awesome how many people actually support the car community. The car community is growing rapidly in Oklahoma. I was the first wide body in Tulsa, and then I installed one. There was a Force tire wide body M3, and I don't know, it's growing in Oklahoma, and I'm so happy to be part of it. And now I'm documenting it, and I'm just so excited for the future. I have so many parts for this car that I'm so ready to install, and there's other things that requires monies that I don't have right now that I plan on getting. I want exhaust, cage, bags, I want it all. But we'll go all out. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next Friday.